Hello friends, welcome to Pure GK World. Today I'm going to show you a hidden feature in Telegram, that is how to find a new friend or how to search a new friend in Telegram application. Most of them don't know how to use Telegram and they don't know what all features are available in Telegram. But today this exciting feature will be helpful for you. So let's get started, guys. At first itself open Telegram, open settings, then click on contacts. When you click on contacts, you can see find people nearby option. Click on it. You can see in this page many people who are nearby to your location is being mentioned, who all are using Telegram application. Even you can see some groups which is created in your nearby location. Yes, here you can find new friends, new groups. Even though you can find this option in other way as well, which is a direct way. Just click on back and open settings. You can see people nearby option. Yes, here it is. It's done. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe.